Hello. Let's assemble this coffee table together. For safety purposes. While I am assembling the leg, please do not approach the table.
Okay.
Oh, the stamp is too close to you. It will not be safe for me to pick it. Can you please pick it and stamp the table?
Yes.
Then can you please stamp the table now?
Okay.
Thank you for helping.
You're welcome.
I see that you are holding a leg. Do you want to assemble it?
Yes.
Then can you please assemble it now?
Okay.
Oh, I cannot reach the leg in front of you. Can you please assemble it?
Yes.
Then can you please assemble it now? Thank you for helping. I see that you are approaching a foot. It is a sharp object and is dangerous for you. Please keep your distance from the table. Let me assemble it.